So we're showing you how to check your AC power vacuum master switch. You want to put 3 nipples on here, basically where it encapsulates it. One vacuum hose going to a vacuum pump. Hook your wires up to a DVOM ohm meter. Pull the vacuum down, you hear it click. You have less than 0.2 ohms. It's actually very good. And if you look at the vacuum gauge here, you should have less than 5 inches of vacuum that pulls this thing closed. Let's release it. Hear it click again. Basically you're watching the diaphragm pull itself in, clicking, and then you release your vacuum. Pull the main vacuum source off, and then these are your test nipples you can save for your next one. That's how you test it.